Ever found yourself wondering about the names behind the banks we entrust with our hard-earned money? Today, we're diving into that very question, specifically focusing on Brio Direct. You might have stumbled upon their competitive interest rates or their straightforward online banking platform, but who exactly is pulling the strings behind the scenes? It's a valid question, especially in a financial landscape where ownership can sometimes be a bit of a maze. To truly understand who owns Brio Direct, we need to take a step back and look at the bigger picture. Brio Direct operates as an online-only division. Think of it as a digital storefront, offering banking services without the traditional brick-and-mortar branches. This model allows them to often provide more attractive rates and lower fees, which is a big part of their appeal. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Brio Direct isn't an independent, standalone bank in the traditional sense. Instead, it functions as the direct banking arm of Webster Bank, National Association. Yes, you heard that right. Webster Bank, a well-established regional bank with a history stretching back to 1935, is the parent company of Brio Direct. This means that Brio Direct operates under the legal and regulatory framework of Webster Bank. It leverages Webster Bank's infrastructure, security protocols, and financial backing to offer its online services. So, while you might interact with Brio Direct through their website or mobile app, the ownership ultimately rests with Webster Financial Corporation, the holding company for Webster Bank. Webster Financial Corporation is a publicly traded company, meaning its shares are bought and sold on the stock market. This implies that the ownership of Webster Financial Corporation, and by extension Brio Direct, is distributed among its various shareholders, individuals, institutional investors, and mutual funds. This structure isn't uncommon in the banking world. Many larger financial institutions have created online-only divisions to tap into a broader customer base and offer specialized products without the overhead costs associated with physical branches. These direct banks can often be more nimble and adapt quickly to changing market conditions. Understanding this relationship is important for several reasons. Firstly, it provides a sense of security and trust. Knowing that Brio Direct is backed by an established and regulated institution like Webster Bank can be reassuring for customers. Secondly, it clarifies where the ultimate accountability lies. While Brio Direct operates independently in its day-to-day functions, major decisions and overall strategy are guided by Webster Bank's leadership. Furthermore, this connection means that Brio Direct customers benefit from the security and insurance provided to Webster Bank depositors, typically through the Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation, FDIC, in the United States. This ensures that your deposits with Brio Direct are insured up to the standard FDIC limits. So, the next time you're navigating the Brio Direct website or considering their offerings, remember that you're engaging with a digital extension of a long-standing financial institution, Webster Bank. The ownership isn't a single individual or a small private group, but rather a publicly traded corporation with a diverse base of shareholders. This understanding provides valuable context and transparency into the structure and backing of your online banking experience with Brio Direct. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.